What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. And today we're going to go ahead and talk about all the stuff that I got on Black Friday from DIY Detail. And pretty much all this stuff came in on Tuesday. If you guys haven't seen my short on the Cerakote stuff that came in, I did say the DIY stuff came in as well. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of all the stuff that I did get. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So first, rinseless wash, probably one of the best rinseless washes on the market, and it's on par, you know, with some of my favorites like Eco Wash, Rinseless Wash, and that's about it. Those are really the main two that I use the most in my detailing business. But pretty much next up is the ceramic gloss in a gallon, probably one of my favorites. Again, ceramic detailing sprays. It lasts about 3 months on the paint, or probably a month and a half here in New York if you use it as a drying aid. But it's a great drying aid. But if you apply it dry, you're gonna get about 3 to 4 months of durability, especially here in New York. And I'm talking about my customers that don't wash their vehicles often, or it's like once every month. You're just gonna get about a good 3 months durability here. Wintertime, it's gonna definitely be a lot less, but that's just because of the salts and stuff on the roads. Next up is Rinseless Wash. Rinseless Wash, I got this in a 16 ounce. This is gonna be a gift for one of my family members, and also one of my favorites, just the easiest interior ceramic coating to go ahead and apply, and it doesn't break the bank, and you could use this on about 3 to 4 vehicles, is the DIY Detail Interior Ceramic. Just spray it on the microfiber, apply it on, and just wipe off. It's just so fantastic. It's probably literally one of my favorites. I'm just telling you the stuff that I got that I really enjoy and use on a day-to-day basis. And that's it for this big box. And in this big box came this smaller box. Next up, I just got like a coating removal towel, I think it was. I don't know, I don't remember. But this was just to go ahead and, you know, make it like 200 flat. Next up, got Toco sprayers. I got a pack of 6, but with all these 16 ounce bottles, they always give you a Toco sprayer. So I really only got a pack of 6, but it looks like a lot more. But the only reason why I also did get a pack of 6 is because, if you guys haven't seen, I did unbox a couple of Labo Cosmetica stuff that I got on Black Friday as well. And pretty much none of them came with sprayers, surprisingly. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Even their glass cleaner Detail didn't come with a trigger sprayer. So I don't know, Labo, let me know if you guys have any trigger sprayers. And that's about it, but I purchased that to use it. And I've been using Detail, just fabulous. And next but not least, I got 3 quick beads. One of my spray favorites. Again, spray on, rinse off, graphene infused, help resist water spot resistance. It is super slick. One of the slickest of all time. I've used Mckees37 Hydro Blue. I've used Geon Wet Coat. This trumps all of it, and that's what I got, was the quick beads. One of these are for a gift of a family member that also enjoys detailing his car. So next up is Interior Clean and Protect. If you guys don't know, I just love this product. You clean and protect literally in one step. Especially if you have a vehicle that's already maintained, and my customers love this. Sometimes they literally buy this off me because I have a bunch in there. And pretty much what they do is, once I do a complete reset on the interior, they're like, how do I maintain the interior? I give them this, and all the time it's just, they just love it. They're like, yo, this is one of the best things they've ever used. It leaves a nice satin finish, it smells good, and it adds some UV protection on the, you know, plastic seats or plastic vinyls and rubbers of the interior, and it's safe on all surfaces. Of course, you don't want to clean your glass with it, but it's even safe on infotainment screens. And last but not least, water spot remover. You know, I enjoy using Owner's Price Spotless, but as well, I do enjoy using the DIY Detail water spot remover. And it's only 12 bucks, but again, during Black Friday, everything was about, I think, 25–30% off. And you get a fantastic value for this, and it is cheap insurance. But customers paying me to go ahead and unclog the ceramic coatings, and I feel like I really need to use a dedicated water spot remover, I go ahead and use this, and it just does the job. Like I said, it's cheap insurance. It's just, you know, $12. I get about 3 to 4 vehicles with this. I am heavy-handed with this. I rub it in, and it unclogs and restores the beading properties of a ceramic coating. But that's pretty much all I got from DIY Detail. If you guys Let me know what you guys ordered down below in the comment section, but this is everything that I ended up ordering. I still do have a couple stuffing garlands from DIY Detail inside my garage, but this is what I felt that I really needed. And yeah, so if you guys want to save 10% off on any DIY Detail products, use code DMS at checkout for 10% off your entire order. And let me know what you guys got. So yeah, so this is everything I got here in a nutshell. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next one.